Easy guideline to add SSR. Special service required on TBP portal. First, go to the air ticket option from booking. View the ticket you want to add SSR to. When you go to the view option, you will see ticket refund, ticket reissue, add SSR, more option on the right side. Click on the add SSR button from here. Then select the flight segment to which you want to add SSR. Then select the passenger from whom you want to add SSR. Now you can choose the applicable SSR service from the following: extra baggages, wheelchair, VIP note, meals. Choose the food, Muslim, Hindu, special meal, etc. according to your preference. VIP note, you can write a seat assigning or other special request. Wheelchair, add it if you need special assistance, then you will book it. Extra baggage, for example, I write here, need 10 kg baggage request. Then submit. Please note that if any additional charge apply, the TBP admin team will inform you. After submitting your request, will go to the admin panel. You will be able to see its status. First, it will show processing. Then you can see your all update in your inbox here. Usually, you will get a response within 15 to 20 minutes. Yep, that's it. Thank you.